Now we do a similar call to the WMS wherein we get in the KML file. There is a standard format for getting back the KML file, which is format equal to application slash vnd.google earth KML plus XML. On the same principal ports of 2005, we have the request. Instead of the PNG file, we are not requesting a KML file wherein the data is more accurate and it has all the points and the attributes of the points given to the Google Maps. Now once we overlay this new request, we have the following map being shown. So now we have the points which are plotted onto the Google Maps from the server, and as we can see, once you click the points, depending on the KML format, we have an info bubble coming up and it shows all the values like the port number, the longitude, the latitude, the port name and other attributes of the port. And we can click on all the points, all the ports clearly. We can zoom in and click the on specific port we need. Now next we have one more format from the WMS layer, which is a GeoRSS format, which is a similar format to KML but in a more specific format, and is the same function of GeoXML, which is the Google Maps API function, recognizes this format and it overlays it automatically. Now in this format we have the same features like the width and the height and the projection of EPSC 4326, which is a Google Maps, which is nearest to the Google Maps projection, and the boundary layer. So once we do this, we have the new map showing up, which actually gives the different type of markers. So the same dots are replaced by new markers because of the code of GeoRSS, which is written for the GeoXML Google Maps decoder. So thus we have this functionality of overlaying in a different way. Tweaking around similar functionalities, we can have one more type of functionality wherein we have the points or the ports showing up according to the place we want. This particular function of the gEvent.addListener finds out the latitude longitudes of the click of the map, and it parses it and sends it to the geo server based on how much radius of the circle we need around our point, so that we get the ports in that area. Taking some arbitrary points of about plus or minus 5 on the longitude and the plus or minus 1.5 on the latitude, we have a small square box which shows the approximate points nearby to our mouse click. So by doing this, we have the new functionality wherein once you load the map and you click at a point, any point nearby to our place, Then it saves the latitude and longitude of the point clicked and the nearby ports. We can see that it covered the ports which are nearby given according to our box, and it has missed out some points which are far away from the point we clicked. So thus we can tweak out various other features by using these functionalities, and we can use something called WFS, wherein we can actually get in the layers inner details like what is the exact port name instead of getting all the whole data. So thus we can use the following services, and we can actually incorporate less and less data by using images which are dynamically obtained when we change the zoom levels. So I hope this tutorial has given a small overview or background of how we can get the data from the open layers or the geo server, and we can incorporate it into the Google Maps. In Google Maps we have many functionalities which we can actually develop based on the data given, and as it's more graphical interfaces and other features of Google Maps, we can actually get in the data from the WMS layers which are there in many websites because of its age-old properties. And this can be a good place to start and learn things about the WMS and WFS service requests and Google Maps API. Thank you.